Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Cancer Water Sign. This is June weekly reading. This is general. May or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Guys, this is general. If it is not resonate, don't force to fill in. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Cancer Water Sign. What are the messages for you? Wow. Cancer, under the deck, Five of Pentacles and Page of Pentacles and Ace of Cups. I think your person may be treating you as an option. For some, if you are in separation, they treated you as an option. You are not happy right now. You are feeling very low. And Page of Pentacles. For some, children also involved in this connection. Some communication, some text is coming. Maybe your person is very immature. So let's see your reading. Recent past, Empress, Eight of Pentacles and Ten of Pentacles. So in recent past, everything is about you. You are focusing on yourself. You are taking your control back. The Empress energy you were in past. And Eight of Pentacles, you are concentrating on your career. You want financial stability. You're really working hard to achieve your goals. In relationship wise, you're always there for your person. You are very honest in this connection. Yes, you're always there for your person. And present, Page of Swords, Seven of Pentacles and Two of Wands. You keep waiting on someone or something right now, and you are thinking about someone or something. And spying, maybe you are spying on them or they are spying on you. Lot of spying is going. And you are thinking about someone and waiting on something. And this could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states. Future, the Lovers, Wheel of Fortune and the Sun. Yes, in present maybe you are in waiting mode and thinking mode, but future things will turn out into your favor and there is love between you and your person, and the person involved in this connection could be Gemini and the Sun. Definitely some positive things coming into your life. Big happiness is coming. Future is very, very good, Cancer. Maybe in present you will be feeling like stuck, because when you are thinking about, when you are waiting, you're feeling stuck. But that is not a permanent energy. In future, definitely there is a positive shift is coming. Things will turn out into your favor. And for some, if you are working hard for your goals, definitely there is some positive result is coming. And the person involved in this connection could be a lot of earth energy, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, especially Gemini. Then Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So let's see your person current feelings and their intentions towards you. So right now, under the deck, the Tower with Ace of Pentacles. Right now your person may be going through a lot in their life. So let's see their current feelings. Cancer. Emperor. I think this person is very dominative in nature. For some, this person is toxic for you because the devil energy. And King of Swords. Right now, they're thinking through logical mind. I think they are very dominative in nature and aggressive in nature. Maybe they have ego problems also, the Emperor energy. And Five of Wands. Lot of drama is going, lot of unnecessary things, unnecessary drama is going right now in this connection, guys. Yeah, I think you both have some ego problems. I think you both are equal at every level. So let's see their intentions, but they are obsessed with you. So let's see their intentions. Ten of Swords. The Fool with Star. They want new beginnings with you, and they still hopeful for this connection. Yes, the love is there between both of you. I think they are physically attracted to you more than emotional. So Ten of Swords, yeah, they still want rebirth in this connection if you are in separation with this person. If you are not, definitely they want to take this relationship to next level. But guys, devil energy for some, maybe this person could be toxic for you. Be careful. And the world, some cycles are going to be end between you and your person. And the sun, children's, definitely children's involved in this connection, but they want new beginnings, guys. Decision is in your hands totally. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Eight of Cups, Ace of Pentacles and Nine of Cups. Yeah, they want new beginnings with you. They're wishing for this connection and they're thinking about you a lot, and they want to leave behind everything, maybe the issues, the negativity in this connection, and they still want rebirth in this connection, guys. But in past, they treated you as an option, maybe in and out of your life. Decision is in your hands. Maybe in past they walked away, but now they have regrets. Yeah, you are juggling, you are unable to make any decision. Yeah, you are not expressing your true emotions to this person because there is a lot of drama, trust issues could be. That's why you are juggling, you are unable to make any decision, and you are holding back. Especially new beginning, they are coming back with new beginnings. They're coming back to offer new beginnings, and there is a new beginnings in career also for you. Stability in money. So let's see mutual. Four of Wands, King of Wands, and another deck, Nine of Pentacles. I want one more King of Wands clarification, Four of Swords. I think right now they are coming back for reconciliation, but you are taking your time to make a decision. What I'm getting here from the mutual cards. Right now you are healing yourself. Maybe you both going through some healing process, but one person taking time to make a decision, but they are coming back for reconciliation. It's up to you, Cancer. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. Again, this is general, guys, may or may not resonate everyone. Decision time. I'm feeling sad without you. I'm very attracted to you. I have regrets. True love and options. So the messages are decision time, I'm feeling sad without you, I'm very attracted to you, true love, and I have regrets. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you. It's time to take action, new moon in Aries. For those who want to take action towards their person, for some this is the message for you. It's time to take action, especially when new moon in Aries. Have faith in your dreams. So if you are dreaming about something to achieve and you are doing consistent hard work, so this is the message for you. Have faith in your dreams. So this is the reading for you, guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Please do share, like, and subscribe. Thank you.